I hate when people follow behind me. I fucking hate it. Come on, dude. Go around me. Fuck out of here. Go around. Whatever. What's up, guys? Welcome back, and everybody new, welcome to the D Struggles YouTube channel. I'm your host, D, and we are heading to the pick and pull to get us that valve cover. So, I'll catch them when we get there.
I love you.
This is Project Dad's Last Dream supercar build. Before Dad passed, he had one last dream, and I would like to finish it. So, if you'd like to see Dad's last dream thrive, please hit subscribe. And if you want to show you care, like, comment, and share. Just to let you guys know exactly what we'll be doing on this episode, we are going into the pick and pull, grabbing us a valve cover off of another 3800 that has the oil cap in it. So we're going to have two valve covers with oil caps. This way I can screw in my AN fittings into the oil caps without having to weld them to the valve covers themselves. So we can run the hoses to the catch can. So we'll have our proper crankcase ventilation. Hey, yeah! 3000 GT. Man, I used to love this car. I used to want one. The twin turbo one. It was a VR4 or something like that. VR6, I can't even remember. Back when I was like 18. I want one of these. Almost had one too, but I couldn't get the loan for it. But yeah, like check this bumper out here. See? This is the kind of shit I'm talking about. See, this would probably look even better on my Camaro. See, all you need is a fucking something, razor blade or something. Damn, cut this all the way around the whole thing there. And then get some sticky tape, custom fitted on the Camaro. That wouldn't look too bad either. Gotta be creative, y'all. Alright, so I did a search here before we even came online with the pick and pull here. So they have no Camaros, no 3800 Camaros, but they have two 3800 Firebirds. So I'm hoping the engines are still in them and I can snail one of these valve covers off of it. If not, they have another pick and pull about 15 minutes from here. We'll just have to go there, see if we can grab one there. Oh snap, check this Monty out. That's a nice kit right there. Nice body kit. Hell yeah, I like that. That is nice. Man, it's a shame a lot of these cars end up here, you know, because this thing could have been fixed up. I would have fixed her up if I had her. See, she got the 3800 in this one too. I didn't even know this car came with the 3800. I thought it came with a 3400 or one of those 3000s or some shit like that. Yeah, but it's a shame they bring these cars here. They use the damn forklifts and they fucking destroy. See, like that would have been awesome for someone to get ground effects, but no, they put them up on these rims they make for stands, and they fucking destroy the ground effects. You can't even salvage that now because they fucking destroyed it. And it's such a shame too. Poor thing. Alright, here's our Firebird over here. Here's our bird. She was whacked real good. Oh yeah, look at that. But what we need's right there, baby. The old valve cover. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, before we rip that one off, we're gonna go check out that other Firebird. Might be a little more room under the hood for that one, or maybe somebody dropped the engine out or whatever. You know, I always try to check out the other ones first, see if it's an easier score. Because, hey, the less time I gotta work while I'm here, the better, right? Oh, there she is. There's the other one. Woo. Oh yeah, she's there too. Alright, so this one doesn't have the aluminum valve cover on it. So I'm figuring this engine was probably swapped out from a front wheel drive engine, and yeah, they left the valve covers on it or something like that. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's definitely, you can tell by the color of it, and you can see where I scratched it up right there. That's not the aluminum one. That's a fiberglass one, I think. Well, So this one's a no-go. I don't want that one. I really want the aluminum one because how I painted them. You know, I painted the valve covers on the car. You know, I painted them blue, and then I have the scratched aluminum lines going across, you know, those 3 lines. That's how I want to finish the other one. This one's a 99, the other one's a 97. She manual? No. Yeah, I might want to get I don't know, I got to scavenge out another T5 tranny because supposedly those T5s are weak and they break easy after you get over 300 horsepower. You got to be very easy on your launching and stuff after you get your horsepower up there. So I don't know. I got to also look online, try to find maybe some hefty duty parts to put in that tranny. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the other one though and grab that valve cover. Take a walk on back to the other side. And then this one, because of the accident it was in, it's got the engine pushed back. And then you have the bracket there, the hoisting bracket is pushed up against the firewall, so I can't get the bolts out of the hoisting bracket to get the valve cover off because it's blocking the one bolt holding the valve cover down in the corner. I got them all the other ones loose, but I can't get that back one loose. So yeah, I'm kind of stuck. Oh sweet. So somebody took the tranny out of this car actually, so I can get to those bolts, but I'm gonna have to go back out to the car because I didn't bring my wrenches with me. I only brought this tiny little socket set to get that valve cover off. So we gotta go back to the car and get the wrenches. Fuck. Now we gotta walk all the way the fuck back over here again. Damn it. Yeah, again about getting creative. Yeah, I was trying to take this drive shaft I found off of some Dodge over across the way and smash that bracket back a little so I can get my wrench in there, socket anyway, to loosen that last bolt, but that wasn't working out for me, so. Oh, that's the name of the channel, baby. These struggles coming at you hard. All right, back at the truck. We got the barrel. We got the tool chest with the wrenches. Now we heading back in. Oh yeah, baby. Everybody's got a little captain in them, huh? All right, we're getting it off this time. Oh yeah. These struggles, baby. The struggles are real. All right, so what I'm doing right now, I'm getting my knee right here. Because like I said, I thought this engine was smashed back from the accident, but it isn't. The transmission was just missing, and it's leaning backwards. See, I can push up on the exhaust here, get it to cradle upward. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. And then I got the one bolt out for the bracket right here. I just gotta get this upper one that's holding on to the fucking dipstick for the tranny here. So yeah, and then this wire's in the way. Yeah, it's a big mess though, let me tell you. But the struggle is gonna be worth the reward. Because I'm gonna get what I want, and I did it myself. So y'all remember that. Get out there, do some shit yourself, struggle in it, and get your reward. Oh yeah, sweet victory, baby. Sweet victory. I conquered what I came for. I gotta say though, man, this thing's pretty damn clean inside. You know, those rockers. Man, when I pulled my engine apart, it was black shit caked all over it. Either this guy just freshened this engine up right before he smashed this sucker in. I mean, look, even the brand new brakes on this sucker, I noticed. Brand new rotors. And these rotors don't even have a lip on them. Brake pads are brand new in here. Yeah, even underneath the car is pretty clean. I mean, like the paint's still on the engine itself, black paint. So, and yeah, check this shit out. See, these hoses usually blow out on the inside. They get all soft and rubbery. There's brand new hoses on here. Look at that. This shit looks brand new too for the AC. Like he just put new shit in here for the AC. Oh wow, even these coil packs look like all 3 brand new coil packs. Yeah, that's a flip-flop paint job. Yeah, this was like a show 3800. This guy kept this thing nice. Probably was taking it out on a weekend ride and got whacked or whacked somebody. All right, we got the valve cover. And now we're getting the hell out of here. Now we just gotta go stop at the auto parts store, grab us some paint so we can match the paint up on what I already painted at the house. Oh yeah. All right, we're back at the house. The dreadful damn work, parts washing. I hate parts washing. It's the most dreadfulest thing I can think of besides grinding. Grinding and parts washing. I hate it. She ain't actually that bad. I mean, she's pretty clean. I mean, really ain't much oil. It's a little bit, you know, in the corner there. And that's about it. Maybe get a little bit of that build up off on the inside. And she'd be good to go. But yeah, I just checked the mailbox. The catch can ain't here yet. The hose kit came the other day with the AN fitting. So I got the AN fittings in the hose kit. I'm just waiting on the catch can. It should be here this afternoon. It's just a matter of FedEx getting here and dropping it off, or UPS or USPS, whichever one's bringing it. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully it'll be here this afternoon, and we'll get all this done today, and I'll have this video uploaded tomorrow. Yeah, today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Hoping to have this shit uploaded tomorrow on Friday. All right, so yeah, I also went to the local auto parts store. I got another can of this anodized coating, but the way I did it was I put this VHT light Ford blue on first, and then I sprayed the anodized coating on. So I'm actually out of this. I thought I had a little left, and I'm out. And then I had this other can. This is just Ford blue, but you can see the color difference. That's the Ford blue, and that's the light Ford blue. So I need that one because that's the one that's going to match up to the paint that I already painted everything under the hood with. So another trip to the local auto parts store for me. But it's all right. We got time. Like I said, I'm still waiting on that oil catch can. And yeah, we got to paint that, drill the hole, and install the fitting into the oil cap and relocate the coil packs as well. So we got some work to do. Hopefully by the time we get all that done, that catch can will be here and we'll be able to finish this up today. If not, it's whatever. All right, we're here at the parts wash station. This is how I do my parts washing. I get me a piece of cardboard. I lay what I'm washing up on top of it. This way, when I use the gas, because I usually use gas, but I'm actually using the old gas. If anybody caught the video where I put the fuel pump in, this was all the old gas that was inside the fuel tank, and I pretty much saved it, and I'm going to use it as parts wash to clean up any, you know, greasy, oily parts that I may need to wash up in the future here. So yeah, pretty much just got a coffee can here, put some of this in there, and then I got an array of different brushes, a parts wash brush, toothbrush, a plastic wire brush, a light steel wire brush, and then a regular one. This way we can get off the oil and any corrosion. I notice there's a little corrosion and around here, around the nut area, so I'm gonna get all that off. And then yeah, once we do that, we're gonna get to painting. All right, got it all cleaned up now. Now yeah, that's the whole point of using the cardboard, is so the gas actually absorbs into it, because I'm only doing one little piece here. So yeah, you see, you know, I didn't get anywhere else. Maybe that little bit right there, but you know, that's it, and that's the point. And even the little bit left in the can, I'll just pretty much leave it out here and it'll evaporate. And remember, this is highly flammable. It's gasoline, so if you try this technique, yeah, just make sure you're not smoking near your house, or you know, any kind of sparks or anything like that. You know, just be careful, that's all. All right, so before we get to painting this thing, I gotta scuff the aluminum up on it to give it that brushed aluminum look. How I'm doing it is, I mean, you can just do it with sandpaper, but I got an air compressor with some air tools, so I'm just taking this here, and yeah, we're gonna get at it and just yeah, scuff it up like this, and just, you know, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be doing that to just these three lines going across the whole cover here. Now we got that brushed aluminum look up here on the top. We're gonna take this masking tape here and we're gonna tape off the top and then cut it down with the razor blades so it's nice and even going across, so when we spray the paint and get in the cracks right here. All right, finally. Alrighty, we got her all taped up. I swear, it took me like a half hour, almost 45 minutes to figure out where the hell my masking tape and my new pack of razor blades were. Oh, but anyway, yeah, I gotta go shoot up to the auto parts store. Like I said, I forgot to get that paint. How's my hair look? Is it good? You know, I don't want to look like a mess when I get, you know, talk to you guys. I'll just put my hat on, fuck it. Alright, so well, anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh man, I'm tired. Shit. Alright, so I think I said that already. I think I said that twice already, actually. Yeah, one more time. Alright, so went to the local auto parts store in town here. Actually, I went to 3 local auto parts store. Was unable to find the Ford Light Blue VHT paint that I need. So that was, yeah, that didn't work out for me. I'm gonna have to go out of town. Yeah. I think I got this at AutoZone, and all we got around here is O'Reilly's, Advanced, and Napa. So I'm gonna have to take a special trip back out of town to get this one. But I did find the anodized one, like I said earlier, here in town. So I got that. That's ready. The catch can didn't come today, so I'll be waiting on that. It should be here tomorrow though, because I just checked the tracking right before I came down here, and yeah, it's in town. It's literally in town right now. It's just a matter of them dropping it off. It's probably gonna be here tomorrow. But also, this video stretched out so long. I got to editing it, and it was so much, you know. And I also like to show the struggles of what I do, on top of, you know, the victories of what I do. So that's the whole point of this channel, D-Struggles. These are my struggles on top of what I'm doing here, the build. So yeah, I'm just gonna upload this video right now, Thursday, and yeah, next week, next Friday, I'll be uploading the catch can video. We're gonna be doing the catch can and coil pack relocation video. Yeah, catch can installation, coil pack relocation video. That's what you guys can look forward to next week. So until then, peace and love, y'all, and I'll see y'all later.